Welcome to Old is Gold, the channel where your golden years truly shine. If you're over 60 and tired of battling constipation day after day, this video could be life-changing. Let's face it, digestion isn't what it used to be. The foods that once kept your gut moving now leave you feeling bloated, backed up, and frustrated. For many seniors, chronic constipation becomes a daily battle, one that robs energy, sleep, and even your appetite. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive medications, harsh laxatives, or complicated fiber regimes. There's one tiny cheap supplement, just $2 a month, that can help reset your gut and restore smooth digestion naturally. Today, we'll reveal why constipation becomes more common after age 62, the dangers of relying on over-the-counter laxatives, the $2 supplement that's changing lives, real success stories from people just like you, and how to safely add this to your routine. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's talk about how to bring comfort and ease back into your life, starting today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a health breakthrough on Old is Gold. As we age, our bodies naturally slow down, and the digestive system is no exception. Let's explore the top reasons why constipation becomes more frequent and frustrating in your 60s and beyond. After 60, the muscles in the colon don't contract as efficiently. This means waste moves more slowly, giving the colon more time to absorb water, which leads to harder, drier stools. Many seniors become less active due to joint pain, weakness, or chronic illness. But movement is essential for regular bowel function. Just a short daily walk can dramatically improve digestion, yet it's often neglected. Seniors often feel less thirsty, even when their bodies need water. This hidden dehydration makes stools tougher and harder to pass. Blood pressure drugs, antidepressants, antacids with calcium, and iron supplements can all cause or worsen constipation. As people age, they may eat less or avoid fiber-rich foods due to dental issues or changes in appetite. Fewer fruits, vegetables, and whole grains mean less roughage to push waste through the system. For some seniors, especially women, the pelvic muscles weaken with age. This can make it physically harder to go, even when the urge is strong. A lifetime habit of holding in bowel movements, often due to lack of access to bathrooms or embarrassment, can retrain the colon to wait, which contributes to chronic constipation. Many people think constipation is just uncomfortable, but it can actually lead to serious health problems, especially in older adults. Straining to pass hard stools can cause or worsen hemorrhoids, which are swollen veins in the rectum. These can bleed, itch, and cause severe discomfort. Anal fissures, small tears in the anus, are also common and painful. Chronic constipation can lead to a buildup of hard stool in the rectum that you can't pass on your own. This often requires emergency medical intervention. Years of straining and slow-moving waste can lead to tiny pouches in the colon wall, a condition called diverticulosis. If these become inflamed or infected, it becomes diverticulitis, which can be dangerous and extremely painful. A full bowel can press on the bladder, leading to increased urinary frequency or even incontinence. In some cases, it can cause urinary tract infections. When your gut isn't working, your whole body feels off. Many seniors report poor sleep, increased fatigue, low mood, and decreased appetite when they're chronically constipated. Many seniors turn to stimulant laxatives like senna or bisacodyl. While these offer short-term relief, they can create dependency and actually worsen constipation over time by weakening the bowel muscles. This is where natural support becomes essential. Now let's talk about the real solution, a supplement that costs less than $2 per month and is backed by science and success stories alike. The supplement is Magnesium Citrate. Yes, a simple form of magnesium, specifically Magnesium Citrate, can be a game-changer for seniors struggling with constipation. Magnesium helps relax the muscles in the intestines, making it easier for waste to move through. It also draws water into the colon, softening the stool naturally without causing cramping or urgency. Unlike fiber, which can bloat and gassy at first, or stimulant laxatives, which force the body to act, magnesium citrate supports your body's natural bowel function. Most seniors see results with a small dose of 150–300 milliliters per day, taken at night. It can take anywhere from 6 to 24 hours to work, gently and predictably. It's available over the counter at pharmacies and online, and even store-brand versions work just as well as name brands. Always start with the lowest dose. Avoid if you have kidney disease. Consult your doctor first. Do not take with other laxatives. Stay hydrated. Magnesium pulls water into the colon. Magnesium isn't just good for digestion. It also helps with muscle cramps, better sleep, calmer mood, and improved bone health. For seniors, magnesium deficiency is common, and constipation may be one of the first signs. Let's hear what real people over 62 are saying about this simple supplement. Betty, 68. It gave me my mornings back. I used to sit on the toilet for 30 minutes every day, and nothing would happen. Since I started taking magnesium citrate before bed, I wake up and go with ease. No more straining, no more tears. James, 73. Better than anything the doctor gave me. I was on fiber supplements and laxatives every week. Magnesium citrate worked faster, gentler, and I didn't feel bloated like I did with fiber. Razia, 65. A small miracle for $2. I saw a YouTube video and tried it. I've been regular for the first time in years, and my leg cramps went away too. Harold, 75. I wish I knew sooner. This should be the first thing doctors recommend for constipation. It changed my life in 3 days. Thousands of seniors are finding relief through magnesium citrate, and without breaking the bank. Here's how to introduce magnesium citrate into your daily life safely and effectively. Look for magnesium citrate specifically. It may come in powder, liquid, or capsule form. Capsules are easiest to manage for daily use. Begin with 150 to 200 mg before bed. If you don't see results after 2 days, increase slightly, but stay under 400 ml per day unless advised by your doctor. Magnesium draws water into your bowels, so drink a full glass of water when you take it and aim for 6 to 8 glasses throughout the day. Pair magnesium with a fiber-friendly diet. Oatmeal, pears, lentils, chia seeds, and leafy greens can all help things move more smoothly. Try a daily 10-minute walk after meals to get your intestines gently stimulated. Even light movement helps digestion. Most seniors report daily regularity within 3 to 5 days of starting magnesium. Don't give up too soon. Let your body adjust. To wrap things up, chronic constipation doesn't have to be your new normal. After 62, you deserve comfort, ease, and a body that feels in sync, not sluggish. We've learned today why aging slows digestion, how common drugs and habits make constipation worse, that relying on laxatives can do more harm than good, and most importantly, how a simple $2 magnesium citrate supplement can restore natural, pain-free bowel movements. Thousands of seniors have already made this small change and reclaimed their mornings, energy, and peace of mind. If you're struggling with constipation, don't wait. Talk to your doctor, pick up a bottle, and give your body the support it needs. Your golden years should feel light, not heavy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe to Old is Gold for more health wisdom made simple and practical for seniors. Your health matters. Your comfort matters. And small changes, even $2 ones, can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.